Morning, folks. Clinton coming to you guys on this Saturday morning. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my back office. The last time I showed you guys, I think I had 41 kits that had been mailed in position 1. Now that has grown to 63. Now the leverage is starting to kick in. My level 2, meaning my members, have 68 kits that are out there on their way to people who have requested them. And now my members' member have gotten 2 kits that are pending getting mailed. So this is continuing to work. All you got to do is get your link exposed. It doesn't cost anybody any money to request your kit, and it doesn't cost you any money to send it. All you got to do is get your link exposed. This will work. And yesterday I received $140 commission, and I'll be showing you guys my commissions that have been earned to this day, up to yesterday, I should say. And I already have $120 so far for next Wednesday. So anything that comes in today, Monday, or Tuesday on top of the 120, I will receive next Friday. So folks, this thing is about to be ramped up. I keep saying it, I can't stress it enough that this is paying me weekly, and it can pay you weekly. All you got to do is just get your link exposed, and it will work. Okay, now we are in my money area in the back office, and you can see the commissions that have been earned to this point. And you saw the video, I think last week, when I showed my commissions that have been earned so far. So 3 weeks ago, my first commission was $20. 2 weeks ago, it was $120, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Last week, it was $140, which I got yesterday. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. So last Wednesday was the cutoff period for the commission that I got yesterday. So on that same day, I had another 20 that came in. On Thursday, I had another 20. Friday, I had 4 that came in, 20, 40, 60, 80. So right now, currently, I have $120 that's sitting in my folder to be mailed out next Wednesday. So anything that comes in today, Monday, or Tuesday on top of the 120 will go out Wednesday for next Friday, because it takes 2 days for me to get it. So currently I have 120. So anything that comes in today, tomorrow, Monday, or Tuesday will be added to the 120. So as you can see, I have a total of 400. So I'll show you the email notification that you get, so you'll see what they'll look like on your end. We are now inside of my Gmail account, and these are the notifications that I mentioned that you too will soon receive. And as you see, 4 came in. Hey Clinton, I just checked the mail, and guess what? That's right, you're in position number 2, meaning one of my members had an enrollment, and that came yesterday, April 5th at 150. The next one came at 155. I just checked the mail, and guess what? You're in position number 1, meaning that was from my effort. Or it could have been from the rotator, I don't know. Well, I do know that was from my effort. And another one came at 158, and another one came at 201. And the one at 158 was from, I was in position 1, meaning that was from me. And the last one was from a member of mine, because it says right here I was in position number 2. So right here is $80, 40 that came from level 1 and 40 that came from level 2. As you saw earlier, there's 2 kits pending in for level 3. So my member's member has gotten 2 kits requested. So as you start having kits out on level 2 and level 3, this thing can triple your income. And there's no telling how fast they can come, coming from 3 different levels. So if you're having problems getting your link exposed, Club Cash Fund has now implemented some pay-per-click lead packages. Hey, you can choose one of those. And the key is just to getting your kits out there. They don't have to pay for them to receive them. You don't have to pay anything to get them sent. Just get your link exposure. And I'm not going to count $140 because it's pointless at this point. I've shown you the back office, the commissions, the email alerts. So there's really no need to really count any money. So, okay, folks, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Order your kits if you haven't. Get you some traffic to your link if you haven't. Start getting you some commissions if you haven't. It's out there for the taking. Be a part of it. Go to imsickofworking.com to order your kit now for free. Take care.